Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to deposit fiat currency into your Kraken account. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just get started. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go ahead and log into your Kraken account using your email address and password. And once you're logged into your Kraken account, you're just going to navigate to the deposit page by clicking on the deposit tab. So click on the deposit tab, and then it's going to take you to the deposit page, and there you're going to need to select the fiat currency that you want to deposit from the drop down menu. So you're going to get a couple of currencies, and you can just choose the one that you want to deposit. And then you're going to select the deposit method, such as wire transfer or SEPA transfer. Go ahead and select the deposit method you want to use, and then you're going to need to enter the fiat currency, the amount of fiat currency that you want to deposit. Whatever amount that is, go ahead and enter that, and then you're going to need to enter the deposit details, such as your bank account number and your routing number. So make sure you have those ready and enter those. Once that's done, you're going to confirm the deposit by clicking on the deposit button, and then just wait for the deposit to be processed by Kraken, and you're going to get a notification when it is. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.